Okay, welcome to this YouTube live. I'm just making a budget. Well, I made a budget tracking app the first part, and I'm just gonna showcase how it works. And I probably have to switch to the directory at first, and then go from there. So we're just gonna go over what the different commands are and what it does, and then switch over to the directory here as well. Let me just get the file path because last time I ran this, the file path was wrong because it was in my downloads folder. So I may need to make a streamlit folder because I'm probably gonna make a bunch of these different apps, it looks like, and I think it'll be interesting. So let me just get this out. Property copy as path. So we want to switch to the directory for this path. So CD, and then let's go to this over here. It should work. I did copy as path. It looks like it's loading. It's a bit glitchy, and then we'll run it after this goes through. Or does it not work? Or just CD downloads. Let's see. CD downloads. Does let me type? No. Ask Copilot. Can I backspace? No. Maybe let's open a new terminal. I don't know why it's so glitchy at times. But we'll see. My OBS is glitching too. Everything on the laptop is glitching. Maybe I need to plug in a power charging cable or something. Can I do that? Yeah, okay. Can bring it out, but I can't even full screen it anymore. Interesting. Technical issues, eh? Always happen. Oh, there's the full screen. Oh, there's the copy twice. Look at that. So I just have to switch to downloads, and then I can run the app, it looks like. So should be fine after that. Maybe the load is heavier on the laptop when I use OBS, so that could be the issue here, possibly. Not sure. Maybe I shouldn't share the camera as much. Maybe that causes the issue. Let's shut off camera for a second, see if it makes a difference on the load here. Okay. Still not responding. Okay, but it did backspace. So let's do. Oh yeah, there we go. So it was the camera that made the load get more. We'll try running this and then turn on my camera. Looks like. So we want to go to downloads. So I'm in the right folder. Caps lock is on. Downloads. And then I also want to go back to OBS and dock my chat. I was working on the YouTube live chat in the control panel last time, seeing if anyone was coming on, but it doesn't look like too many people ever come. So over here, basically we can go through the code, and I'm gonna turn the camera back on so you can see me again. I think it should work. Yeah, there we go. So imported Streamlit as ST, then we imported pandas as PD, then we imported a date time library to set the page configuration and the title and everything. And then basically the title was budget tracker. Over here, page configuration is there. And what else? The data is not in the ST session state. That's listed. We had the ST form. We have this select box in the category, the food, rent, utilities that can be put in. And then we have the amount listed and a note. and then if it's submitted, we can put these different values in. So it starts a state and adds these different values and categories in. And it's telling me this is not recording on YouTube. So let's figure out why. Maybe I'm not logged in into the channel on YouTube. But in any case, I'm definitely going to run it. So streamlit, run. And of course, it's going to glitch out on me as well. Streamlit, run. What is it? Budget underscore app.py. Budget underscore app.py. And then we'll give that a run, and it should display. So enter, and it should pull it up for me. Turn the camera off again and see if it loads a little bit faster. Maybe I'll add an external webcam if this makes things easier. We'll check that out. And the app should come and work on my channel at some point. It says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain something. To maintain smooth streaming, as such, view something. Okay. Interesting. I wonder why it's not seeing enough video for smooth streaming. Interesting. Very interesting. Wonder why. I should also test out the chat. Can I write in here? Test. Oh yeah, I can type in here. Yeah, looks like I can test the chat. Eventually I want to record the chats and put them up as well. Okay, cool. Looks like that works. Where's my Streamlit app, man? Why is this not running? I told you to run here. Why didn't you open up? And now my mouse is frozen too. So many technical issues, so little time. Can't tell why. Oh, maybe it's because of the Wi-Fi connection. It was very thunderstormy today. Maybe that's why there's streaming issues here. Internet just recovered from the thunderstorms. Maybe I shouldn't be streaming it if the Wi-Fi is gonna be so glitchy and bad. But I did want to have a video up with this code shown. And the app demonstrated, so thought that was kind of important. Now it's not responding. Maybe I'll give it a